Back to using the unlicensed version of Bandicam. Get out of here, Steam. I made a stickman ragdoll game and here's how I did it. I opened Unity and oh, what's that? You're judging me for using Unity 2019? Well, I already made the game and you watching me pretend like I haven't seen or created the game. So who's the real weirdo? Since I wasn't planning to make this a devlog, I didn't really record anything, and well, I'm now left with, yeah, guess I'll have to recreate everything in Paint. Yeah, this isn't going anywhere. Let's just check out the code. This is the body parts health. So the body breaks, bone break. It's been so long that I don't understand Jack. Wait, I added character selection. Look at my perfectionist audio manager. I'm not allowed to give my personal opinion on this channel, but A plus audio manager. The movement, the easiest part to code. And I added sound effects. Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that? Multiplayer? No, bro, do not, bro. It doesn't really work. Online multiplayer isn't really onlining. I'm using Photon, by the way, so I don't know why it doesn't play nicely with ragdolls. I mean, I know why, but I don't know how to fix it.